Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Tuesday, August the 15th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them, 4 of them I will do in the evening. But first, these two regular puzzles, the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, the news. Well, the news. Where's the news here? Let me show you the news. Aircraft, yeah. We have here Russian bombers, yeah. Airplanes invaded our airspace, and yeah, the direction of the Netherlands and Great Britain. I believe also they intercept one in Denmark. So a lot of army news. But let me continue with the puzzles. Yes. Putin. Yes. Alright. First one, binary puzzle number. This will be number 6924. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 40 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12. Here, 12 by 12 binary puzzle. We have binaries with 10 by 10, and we have binaries with 8 by 8. This one is a large one, 12 by 12. I do not know if there are above the 12, maybe 14 by 14, maybe 16 by 16. I do not know. Please leave a comment if you know. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start. What you even know, what you also need to know is in a row or in a column, there are always 6 O's and 6 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one. Oh wait, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. And now the double ones, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, double one. Here no, there no, double one, 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 here no, there no. Well, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1's comes in O, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes in O, we have here, oh wait, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Between 2 1's comes in O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are ones. Between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 1's comes in O, Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. The sixth one. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. They should be an O. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. They should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Well. Now I need to think. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2. Oh, double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6, oh wait, no, I need to wait. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th one there, then we still have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's in this column. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 6th O there, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so that's gonna be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 1 there. Here, 1 there. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to compare, I believe. Need to compare. The question is, compare the columns or compare the rows. We have here double 1 here. No. How about this double 1? How many rows are completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Oh, it's almost the same, but not the one. This row and that row. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1 then. Okay, between two ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. Then now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are ones. Let me see, compare again. Need to compare the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have here 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We have here 3 O's, 4 O's, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, the 6th O, then we have 3 ones in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, and O, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Question is, these two rows or these two columns to compare? Let me see, we have here double 1. We have here double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. O, double 1, O, O. This column and that column. Look. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. Alright, these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, and O, then O. Finished in 14 minutes. Well. and we solve it again. With comparing, yeah, you need to compare twice, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.